on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Matty Ice here, back with another video. We're out here on Rogers Lake. I'm here with my boy Greg. Check out Greg. Say what up, Greg. So just caught a little fish. Just a little pounder, like about a half of a pound. So throwing it on the red eye shad. So we're gonna see if we can put some more fish in the boat. Yeah, we're at 14 feet right here. Did you catch them on the swim bait? All right. All right, Greggy boy.
Second one, second cast.
Show him the bait. There you go.
Have a good day, buddy. There you go.
Yeah, there are some fish underneath us. I can see.
This weaver, this big ass one, dude. Dude, let me catch the best one.
Get out of those pads. Keeper. All right, here we go. Let's go. There he is. He's a 12-incher, but he don't weigh much. All right, let's get this guy weighed in. .90. But he's 12 inches, and in a tournament he would count. All right, there he is, one last time.